So, dear students, back Lux School of Science, welcoming you back here in chemistry section, lesson number 7. And now, today, the topic is ideal gas. Ideal gas, noble gas, or inert gas, these are the gas which includes to group number 18 with the name helium, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, etc. So that we have studied where from they occurs and what are their norms that we have studied earlier. Okay, so now here we have to stop. Okay, no, pause. So here we are going to do something in this topic, and we are going to talk first question, and then we will go with the lesson. Okay. First question is, why are the elements of group 18 known as noble gas? Just we have discussed that it is also known as inert gas, noble gas. Okay. So why these are known as ideal gas also? So the element present in group 18 have their valence shell orbital completely filled and therefore react with a few elements only under a certain condition. Therefore, they are known as noble gas. So, these gas are known as noble gas. Why so? That we have discussed here. They are known as noble gas because they have completely filled orbitals which do not have any free electrons, and due to that they are not able to perform any chemical reaction, and that's why they are inert. The second question, noble gas have very low boiling points, and why? Noble gas being monoatomic have no interatomic force except weak dispersion force, hence are liquefied at very low temperatures, and we can say that's why they have low boiling point. Monoatomic, they are not diatomic like oxygen O2, N2, though they are non-metals. Generally, non-metals are diatomic material. Metals are monoatomic. So, these noble gases are monoatomic, though these are non-metals, and that's why they can be liquefied very simply, and hence, as they liquefied very simply, these are having low boiling point. So, next topic. And next topic is not on the noble gases. So this we have to read only. Okay, what it's not is suggesting. So all noble gases have general electronic configuration NH2 NP6 except helium. Helium has 1s2, that all know. Many of the properties of noble gases including their inactive nature are ascribed to their closed cell structure. એ લોકોનું જે સેલ સ્ટ્રક્ચર છે એકદમ નજીક નજીક છે એટલા માટે એમાં કોઈ એક્સ્ટ્રા ઇલેક્ટ્રોન એ લોકો લઈ શકતા નથી કે એક્સ્ટ્રા ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ડોનેટ કરી શકતા નથી, and that they are behaving as an inert. They never be plus or minus separate ions. Due to the stable electronic configuration, these gases exhibit very high enthalpy. અગર તમારે એને આયન્સ બનાવવો છે જશે સળગી જશે એનો બર્નિંગ પોઈન્ટ આવી જશે તો પણ એ લોકો ઇલેક્ટ્રોન રિમૂવ નહીં કરે. That's why ionization enthalpy is are very high, we can say. However, it decreases down the group with the increase in atomic size. પણ જેમ જેમ એટોમિક સાઇઝ વધતી જાય છે તેમ તેમ જે આ ionization enthalpy છે એ ઘટી જાય છે, and that's why it is slightly bright idea that કે ભાઈ જે big size ના Nobel gases છે might be the react, might. Atomic radii increase down the group with increased atomic number. Since noble gas have stable electronic configuration, they have no tendency to accept electron and therefore have large positive value of electron gain enthalpy. So electron gain enthalpy પણ બહુ high છે and as well as electronegativity પણ high છે, ionization enthalpy પણ high છે. So they will not react. Electronegativity તો એટલી બધી high ના કહેવાય. જોકે now some physical properties we are going to discuss about the noble gas. All the noble gases are monoatomic. They are colorless, odorless and tasteless. They are sparingly soluble in water. They have very low melting point and boiling points because that only type of interatomic interactions in the elements is weak dispersion force. આપણે બહુ બધા force છે એમ જાણીએ છે. Lesson number 4 11th standard ma we have studied lots of we have talked lots of about the force and here out of them only weak nuclear force છે લોકના વચ્ચે, that is dispersion force છે, which will not is very important. So they have helium has the lowest boiling point and 4.2 Kelvin, that is 4.2 Kelvin minus 273 કરો એટલે ખ્યાલ આવશે કે ડિગ્રી સેન્ટીગ્રેડમાં કેટલું હોય. Of any known substance, it has an unusual property of diffusing through most commonly used laboratory materials such as rubber, glass or plastic. Okay, એ ડિફ્યુઝ થઈ જાય બધાની અંદર. કોની અંદર તો રબર હોય, પ્લાસ્ટિક હોય કે કોઈ પણ ગ્લાસની વસ્તુ મૂકેલી હોય, and that's why it is difficult to prepare in laboratory also. So this is the our idea about some not on the noble gases. So hope that you understand this. This is only for your information. Now this is the most general idea about the noble gas, because if we will talk about chemical properties of the noble gas, then I'll be everyone surprised. You will also tell, sir હમણાં તો કહેતા હતા કે આ કોઈ આ રિએક્શન ના કરે અને પાછા કે હવે કેમિકલ પ્રોપર્ટીઝ સ્ટડી કરીએ. પાગલ છો જરા? તો ખબર છે બધા. ઓકે. In general, noble gases are least reactive. Their internals to chemical reactivity is attributed to the following reason. કેમ એ લોકો એટલા બધા ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ નથી લેતા કેમિકલ રિએક્શનની અંદર? તો એના બે રીઝન આપણને આપેલા છે. Two reasons are given. First, the noble gases except helium have completely filled NH2 NP6 electronic configuration in their valence shell. તો ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક કન્ફિગરેશનમાં વેલ કમ્પ્લીટ શું છે? ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક કન્ફિગરેશન છે વેલેન્સ સેલમાં. એટલે no electron will enter, no electron will go. That's all. Second, they have high ionization enthalpy and more positive electron gain enthalpy. એ લોકો પાસે high ionization enthalpy છે અને positive electron gain enthalpy બી high છે. So that's why they are not reactive. The reactivity of noble gas has been investigated occasionally ever since their discovery, but all attempts to force them to react to form the compounds were unsuccessful for quite a few years. But in March 1962, Neil Bartlett, okay, then at the University of British Columbia, observed the reactions of noble gas. First, he prepared red compound which is formulated as O2 plus PTF minus 6. Hence, they realized that the first ionization enthalpy of molecular oxygen 1175 kJ per mole was almost identical with that the xenon. તો હવે ઓક્સિજનની જે આયોનાઇઝેશન એન્થાલ્પી છે તેટલી જ એન્થાલ્પી કોની છે? ઝેનોનની છે. He made efforts to prepare same type of compound with xenon and was successful in prepare another red color compound Xc plus PtF6 minus by mixing platinum hexafluoride and xenon. After this discovery,